How to start an LLC in Wyoming. What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Starting an LLC can feel confusing, especially if you've never done it before. But today, I'm breaking down exactly how to set one up in the great state of Wyoming. Whether you're launching a brand new business or moving an existing one, Wyoming is one of the most business-friendly states out there. And in this video, I'm going to walk you through two different ways to form your LLC. First, doing everything yourself directly through the state, and second, using an LLC formation service that handles the forms and legal steps for you. For the service option, I'll be using Taylor Brands as the example so you can see exactly how it works. So if you want to check them out, the link is in the description. So first, what is an LLC? An LLC is short for Limited Liability Company. It is a business structure that basically gives you the best of both worlds: the simplicity and flexibility of a partnership, the legal protection of a corporation. So when you form an LLC, your business becomes its own legal entity. That means your personal assets stay separate from your company's debts, lawsuits, or obligations. If your business gets sued or falls into debt, your personal money and property should be protected. First, I'll show the formation process using Taylor Brands, one of the best entity formation companies out there that handles everything for you. And then, if you'd like to file the LLC yourself, you can choose the DIY route, which I'll cover later on. So simply click the link given in the description below in order to get an access to Taylor Brands, and you'll be redirected to an interface like this. So first of all, you gotta enter your business name. Once done, simply head over, click on Get Started, and you'll be taken over to another interface. And then you will be asked that what will your Wyoming LLC offer. You can either select physical goods services, leisure and hospitality, original content, technology and software, or other, where you gotta describe what it does. After that, you gotta give your industry information by telling them about what you do and how they can create a better plan for you. After that, you gotta choose what was your biggest motivation for starting your business. So being my own boss, making extra money, or doing what I love. And then you gotta tell what stage is Wyoming LLC at, whether it is just an idea, getting ready to launch, or already in business. So what would you like to focus on today? You can choose more than one LLC formation, online presence, logo, and branding, and you can always come back to the other options later on. And now it will ask you, does Wyoming LLC have any of the following? Whether you already have an EIN, business cards, domain name, logo, business mailbox, business name, trademark, LLC, or any website. If you don't have any of these, simply click on none of the above. Then they're gonna ask you about their discovery for a reach purpose. They're gonna review your information for a while, and then they will guide you through all of these steps in order to build a branded website of your own. So basically, you're not committing to anything. This information just helps them recommend the right setup for you. So basically, Taylor Brands offer 3 plan levels, including a $0 plan where you simply pay the state filing fee. The higher packages include extra features like marketing tools, branding help, and more. So once you choose a plan, they will file your LLC documents for you. Now, if you want to take all the hassle, file all the complicated paperwork, and do it yourself, don't worry, I've got you covered. Follow the next steps. Step 1. Pick a name for your LLC. The first thing that you need is a business name. It has to be unique and not too similar to existing companies in Wyoming. You can quickly check name availability using the Wyoming Secretary of State's business name search, or even do a quick Google search to avoid conflicts. Wyoming's naming rules are pretty straightforward. Your business name must include Limited Liability Company or one of the approved abbreviations like LLC. Other than that, you have plenty of freedom. Step 2. Choose a registered agent. Next, you'll need a registered agent. This is the person or service responsible for receiving office mail and legal documents for your business. You can be your own registered agent if you're a legal Wyoming resident, or another member of the LLC can take the role. But keep this in mind, the registered agent must be available during regular business hours, which can be tough if you work full-time. That's why many business owners prefer hiring a professional registered agent service instead. Step 3. File your articles of organization. This is the step that officially creates your LLC. You'll submit the articles of organization to the Wyoming Secretary of State. In this document, you'll provide the LLC's legal name and address, your registered agent's name and address, whether your LLC will be a closed LLC, signatures from the LLC organizer and the registered agent. A closed LLC simply means membership and ownership transfers are restricted. Step 4. Create an operating agreement. Wyoming doesn't require an operating agreement, but having one is extremely helpful. Think of it like your business blueprint. It should include ownership percentages, rights and responsibilities of each member, how profits and losses are shared, how disputes will be handled, what happens if a member leaves or the business shuts down. Even if you're the only owner, it's still smart to create one. This document grows with your business and can be updated anytime. Step 5. Get an EIN and Secretary of State. An EIN or Employer Identification Number is essentially a social security number for your business. It identifies your company for tax purposes, allows you to hire employees, and is required for opening a business bank account. You will need an EIN to file taxes, apply for loans, and conduct many official business activities. So before applying for an EIN, your LLC must be officially registered with the Wyoming Secretary of State. Filing your LLC with the Secretary of State establishes your business as a legal entity, which is necessary for the IRS to issue an EIN. You can obtain an EIN for free through the IRS, either online, by mail, or by fax. Applying online is the fastest method and can provide your EIN immediately if you qualify. For business owners who are foreign and do not have a social security number, you cannot apply for an EIN directly. In that case, you first need to obtain an individual taxpayer identification number known as ITIN. So once you have an ITIN, you can use it to apply for an EIN for your Wyoming LLC. Step 6. Understand your tax requirements. LLCs are considered pass-through entities by default, meaning the company itself doesn't pay income taxes. The owners do, through their personal tax returns. Wyoming is especially business-friendly because there's no state income tax, not for individuals and not for corporations either. However, you still have to handle self-employment taxes, payroll taxes if you hire employees, sales tax if you sell physical goods or certain services. A sales tax license costs $60 and you can apply online through the mail. How often you file sales tax depends on your expected income. The Wyoming Department of Revenue will let you know your filing schedule. There's one more requirement. Wyoming LLC must file annual reports every year on the anniversary month of your registration. For example, if you formed your LLC on March 10th, your annual report is due March 1st each year. Fees for the annual report start at $60 for every $250,000 in assets, plus a small online filing fee. So, if doing all of that yourself sounds overwhelming, you're not alone. When I formed my own LLC, I didn't want to risk messing up a form or missing a rule. I also didn't have time to learn everything from scratch. That's why I used Taylor Brands to handle the whole LLC formation process for me. So, if you're short on time or you just want a stress-free experience, services like Taylor Brands can be a huge help. They take care of the legal paperwork so you can focus on actually building your business. Taylor Brands has been around since 2014, helping entrepreneurs start their businesses more easily. It's an all-in-one platform that uses AI to guide you through LLC formation, branding, website tools, finance and bookkeeping, and more. Everything is in one place, which makes the setup process really smooth. And that's it. Those are the 2 ways to form an LLC in Wyoming. You can absolutely do it yourself, and many people do, but if you want a smoother, hands-off experience, then Taylor Brands is a great option. Especially for first-time business owners, both routes will get you to the same place. It just depends on how much time you want to spend on paperwork versus building your actual business. So if this guide helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful content. And if you want to try Taylor brands, check out the link in the description. We often get special deals that you won't find on their websites directly. So that's it for today's video, and I'll see you in the next video.